take a look at this absolutely stunning 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. Now, these cars are highly desirable, as you know, but this one has only 15,000 actual miles, and it shows. This car, I have not seen a dent of any kind in it, certainly no rust of any kind, of course. And man, this car absolutely looks the part. I saw one chip that had been touched up, and that is it. Other than that, this car is, well, quite frankly, the pictures and videos you're about to see, the car looks better in person even than it does in the pictures and videos. So buy with confidence on this one. What you see is what you get, that is for sure. So you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car just came into us about a week ago or so, and like I said, it's got 15,000 actual miles. Now, the 94 to 96 Impala Super Sports, of course, were built just in that year, and the 96 being the kind of the most desirable of the group, because although all the 94 to 96s did have the bucket seats, 96 was the only year that had the shifter on the floor in the console. The other years had the shifter up on the column. And of course, black is one of the best colors on these cars, in my opinion. But yeah, this car is as clean as can be. Car literally still has the new car smell inside. That's not a cliche, it really does. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. Air conditioning blows cold. Just turned 15,000 miles. Of course, the car's got a clean Carfax as well. What I like about this car too is that it's untouched. There's no custom, nobody's been messing with it. Factory stereo in it. There you go. Looks good there as well. Go over to the passenger side here quick. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And there you'll be able to see photos of the underside, under the hood, in the trunk, all that. Hopefully you're kind of getting the drift. This car is as clean as it looks in the pictures, that's for sure. Okay, I'm gonna go around the other side. We're gonna pause, we're gonna open the hood, fire it up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, we got the hood open. We'll fire it up here. There you can see the 15,000 miles. Miles may change a little from test drives or things like that, but gives you an idea what's on the car, roughly speaking. Let's take a look outside. I know I had mentioned earlier there was one chip that I had seen, and that is right here. Looks like it had been maybe just one little tiny touch up, but you can see it's pretty small. Again, of course, the car's powered by its original 350 V8 engine. And of course it runs, sounds, and looks like new. All right. If you're looking at this video, you know what this car is, and you know one of these with that low miles and this clean, they're getting harder and harder to come by. So check out the website at uniqueclassiccars.com. See all the still pictures there. And remember, trade-ins are always considered. Financing is available. And because of the low miles, this car definitely qualifies for an extended warranty as well for you to protect the car after your purchase.